I just think this is one of the most powerful things we can do right now to address Canadian healthcare needs.
What we need to understand is we have to do healthcare differently. We cannot afford to keep doing it the same way.
ProCURE 2025 is happening in St. John's, Newfoundland. This is different in the sense that it's a summit where you actually get to have your voice heard.
ProCURE 2025 is hoping to examine the interprovincial trade barriers that exist, and we believe it'll start to build a national community around procurement.
Right now, far too many startups have to move out to the US or look at the European market. What we want to do is we want to improve the outcomes of health in Canada.
Newfoundland has a very bustling medtech ecosystem. Being a little bit remote and rural, our challenges are vast geography, challenging weather, aging demographic. It is practicing what it preaches. It's going to be a fun place to collect everybody and have these conversations about how procurement in general can be addressed across Canada.
Let's get everyone in the room together and figure out those pathways forward.